Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify Payments for faster checkout in USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. From the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the settings located at the bottom left corner. Click on the Payments option in the Settings menu. Under the Payment Providers section, look for Shopify Payments. If Shopify Payments is available, click on the Activate button. If it's not showing, check if your store's country is supported. Once activated, you will see several fields to fill out. Start by entering your business information, including your legal business name and address. Next, provide your personal information, including your name and date of birth. Select your business type from the provided options. Then, add your bank account details for payouts. Make sure to enter the correct routing and account numbers. Review the terms of service and check the box to accept them. Click on the Save button to proceed. Shopify Payments will now be set up for your store. You can customize your checkout settings under the Checkout section of Settings. Ensure that your checkout process is optimized for speed and efficiency. Test the payment process by conducting a test transaction. Finally, confirm that everything is working smoothly for your customers. Your Shopify Payments setup for faster checkout in the USA is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.